Alright guys, we're out here heading back in. Got a new motor hooked up too. Newport vessels pulling my dad right now. Cruising around 4.5 miles an hour, which I think is absolutely awesome, man. We got on a lot of schooling reds. A lot were undersized. I mean lower end slot, but we got on a few that are mid. So I got a tournament next week and see how it goes then. Hopefully we can see some bigger reds, and they're definitely fattening up for the winter time. You can definitely see the coloration change on the tails too. Alrighty guys, well I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I see some wakes underneath them. Yep, there's reds. Yep, those are big wakes. Big wakes. I don't know if they kept going or if they went. Oh yeah, look, there they are. Right here, Dad. There we go. Group of them. Right underneath those birds. I didn't see nothing underneath the birds, but then I seen a tail and I finally hit him right in the mouth with it. You see that school, how it's rippling right here? They're still there. They're coming right at us. Right here, you see it, the disturbance? There's more birds going crazy right there. That change in water right there, where they were. Nice red. Look like a mid upper slot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Going crazy on me. That's a solid one, dude. Oh, yeah. He's about 26, 27, easy. He's hefty too, man. God dang. Get the camera off, get some measurements. Alright, got the measuring board out. 25 3/4, but he's thick. Yep, he's probably 6 pounds easy. A little baby voodoo. Oh, heck yeah. Did you want to get some pictures or did you want to? Okay. Alright guys, let's get the release on this solid fella. There it goes. Heck yeah, let's go get some more. Now those birds are going crazy on that point, huh? Alright guys, we came across another school under a pack of birds. Dead giveaway, man. Dead freaking giveaway. It looks like a decent school. They're freaking blowing up. Check that out, man. That's awesome. They're gonna come across you. Might want to hurry up. It's a lot of reds. That's freaking awesome, guys. Oh, they're moving fast, man. Holy cow. I'm pulling off that back end real quick, if I can. Oh, right in the grass. Let me turn back around. You're facing the sun now. Get him, boy. Hey, reverse. Don't get into that school. There you go, my dad's got one right there. Tangling you up, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna catch up to this other school real quick. He got him. He's going around the rudder and all that stuff over there. God dang, these freaking reds moving. These guys are scooting today, boy. Okay, now I see all their backs. You see all their backs, guys? Freaking sick, man. I keep getting caught in the grass. That's insane. I'm just literally trying to flick it in there in the grass every time. There we go. There we go. Think I get another one, guys? Think I get another one? What y'all think? Let's see. Better not try it. They're still going. It's alright, I'll just concentrate on this one. Not a very big guy. Low end slot. That school kept going though. Sweet alligator roll. Dang, got him good. This guy was not coming off, man. Come on. I gotta look at some pliers. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the pliers. Alright guys, we're on another school of red right here. See if we can pick some off. This school actually looks big, but they don't look like they got any big reds. These reds look small, I'll be honest with you. They don't look too big, but there's a lot of them. Try to follow that school, see where they go. Oh, he pulled. Dang it. Keep casting. That sucks. That's a big school too. Alright guys, got another school right here. They're right in that grass. They're not popping shrimp or nothing, they're just cruising. But once I get in from their face, they'll probably hit it. Too far. Yeah, these look like small ones, probably low slot. I know, I'm casting and the wind's blowing it. There we go. But that bird over there, he's on the school too. He's walking down, hopping the bank. I told you I wasn't chipping. I knew it was at school. He ain't a giant by any means, but pretty red. Nice red. Make sure y'all can see. Wipe it off. Alright. Alright guys, look at them right here.
Come back this way.
Some are on the shoreline, some went to the left. Dude, I casted, small one came out. Come on, man. He's not too bad, probably 22, 23. Not a bad red. Oh, he's probably smaller, probably 21. Get that hook out real quick, guy. There we go. Now we can get him out. There he goes. School of Reds right here in front of us. Right in that grass. Probably won't be able to reach him from here. Uh-oh. Yep. Try not to spook that school. He shot out from underneath you. Boom, there they go. Yoom. Whoa, that sounded like a big one. Did you hear him? And of course, I get the, get the small one. I get a small one. That tends to happen a lot. He's probably like 23. Oh! The hook flew back into me. Ah, that's good. Alright guys, got some more. Ride under these birds. Gonna see if my dad can get one. Slow yourself down with the paddle. Put it right on him. You're close. They're like right up in that grass. There you go. That's freaking awesome, man. You got the small one? That's how it works. Small ones are quick. The quickest ones is the bait. Heck yeah. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, he's probably just undersized.
Yeah.
Oh no, I think he'll make slot. He's just a little
he might
skinny.
make it.
He's just skinny. Nice red. You see how their tails are starting to turn more and more blue as fall comes, because they're hitting that shrimp, man.